It-tħejjiet li qed isiru bejn Malta u l-Ingilterra brabta mal-laqgħa tal-kapijiet tal-Gvern tal-istati membri tal-commonwealth għaddejjin tajjeb. Sostna dan il-mibgħut Ingliż tal-Commonwealth David Conker, iċ-CHOGM se jsir bejn is-27 u d-29 ta' Novembru ta' din is-sena. U tema prinċipali li ntażlet għal din il-laqgħa hija dik tat-tibdil fil-klima, b'attenzjoni partikolari fuq kif din qed taffettwa pajjiżi żgħar bħal Malta. Conker sostna li tul iċ-CHOGM se jkun diskuss l-irwol tal-Commonwealth fid-dawl tal-aħħar avvenimenti li seħħew madwar id-dinja.
And I think there probably are some topics and issues that could be usefully discussed. One, just to give you one example, would be, what might be the role of the Commonwealth and the Commonwealth family of nations in countering radicalisation. We know that we have a problem around the world, not just in the UK, but elsewhere around the Commonwealth, in fact, where young people are vulnerable to being radicalised.
Fil-laqgħa f'Malta se jkun qed jintgħażel ukoll segretarju ġenerali ġdid minflok Sharma. S'issemma erba' kandidati bit-tnejn minnhom nisa, iżda x'legat se
strengthen the institutions and the ability of all of our member states to be able to show resilience and to get away from their vulnerabilities.
F'Marlborough House Londra, l-kwartieri ġenerali tal-Commonwealth ċarma għalli Malta se tkun ċentru ta' eċċellenza l-appoġġ għal pajjiżi żgħar. Għal Conker aspetti importanti ieħor huma l-erba' fora li se jkunu qed jitlaqgħu ġimgħa qabel iċ-CHOGM. Dawn huma l-fora taż-żgħażagħ, tan-nisa, tal-business u tan-nies. Lord Jonathan Maryland, chairman tal-Business Forum, għalli wieħed għandu jistenna diskussjoni ta' livell.
Got a really good lineup of speakers. At the moment it's too early to tell how many heads of state are coming to attend the Business Forum, but we've so far got 10 or 11 who've confirmed and want to attend, so that's really good. That normally escalates as their programme gets managed, but we've got people like the Lord Mayor of London coming with a great group from the city. We've got the head of Tech City, we've got one of the biggest hotel chain, two of the biggest hotel chain owners in the world coming to talk about high value tourism.